I'm Amy Emberling. I'm the managing partner of Zingerman's Bakehouse. Zingerman's Bakehouse is an artisan bakery in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We primarily make naturally leavened bread and traditional pastries. We also have a baking school. We started the school for a number of reasons. It was during a time when people really started to talk about obesity being a problem. And although people don't necessarily associate eating baked goods as a solution to that, we do believe that if people know how to make their own food and make it themselves, that it is more nourishing and in the long run people eat in a more healthy way. Today we're going to make pecan pie. You know, it's very funny. We say apple pie is the all-American pie, but actually apples are not native to the United States and pecans are. So I think pecan pie should be the all-American pie. First thing, put our flour in the bowl and some salt, and then I take a pastry cutter, just stir it up. Then 3/4 of the butter, and then we spend some time breaking the butter down into the flour. This is the one step that people don't do long enough. Then you put the rest of the butter in, and you take your pastry blender and you break it up and you work this just until it's chunks. I'm gonna dump it all out. And then we're going to do this method that the French call frissage, and you push all the butter into the flour. So we have this pie tin, and we're going to try to make this about 1 inch larger in diameter than the pie tin. I'm going to flip it over, and you can roll it up, drop it in there, push it in against the sides, then you turn over the edges, and now you crimp it. Oh, ready. Making pecan pie filling is actually super easy. So eggs, brown sugar, vanilla go into the bowl together. Then you put in your corn syrup and butter. Nothing complicated. Good butter, good vanilla, great brown sugar. Take your pecans, put them in the bottom, take your filling, pour it in, and it will bake into a beautiful pie. Yeah, you know, Zingerman's in a way has been really pretty much my entire adult life. So I started working at the bakery in 1992 as an hourly employee. I was 26 years old, so I'm 53 now. I've been here the entire time. Sometimes I wonder, why am I still here? Or someone might ask me that. And I think it's, at Zingerman's, we're really allowed to care about people. I mean, we're expected to care about people. And we're expected to run a business in a very ethical way and in a way that cares about the community. And that completely fits with my values. And it allows me to do a lot of things in the bakery that maybe if we were just financial bottom line driven, we wouldn't do.